Hey, my name is Daniel Cho. In this training, I want to show you how beginners, they can make $2,000 per month monthly passive income by giving away a high value course without selling it. We just simply give it away free and achieve this monthly passive income in the next 30 days. Before we dive into the actual strategy, I want to talk about how regular people make passive income. Okay, I'm using myself as an example. I do real estate investment on the side, right? In order for me to buy a property and rent it out to make that $2,000 per month income, I need to buy a property around $200,000. What if you don't have $200,000 spent on a property? You do this. So the strategies, I'm going to break it down step by step. Exactly what offer we're going to leverage, how to get people signed up, right? How we make money from it. Follow this step by step. Number one, if you want to generate a monthly passive income of $2,000 without selling any courses, without buying a house, right? The process is simple. You will be leveraging this company, their software called Funnel Freedom. You can click on this link and check out more details yourself if you are not using it yet. Funnel Freedom is the ultimate all-in-one software that helps people to build an online business or a marketing agency. Like myself, I'm a course creator. I have my own online business, right? I need to use Funnel Freedom to run my business. You, as an affiliate, when you promote this, when people sign up through you, you will earn 40% commissions from the Funnel Freedom company, okay? By simply helping others access a tool, right, they already need for their business, just like myself, okay? And here's the math. Funnel Freedom software subscription is $97 per month for users, right? For me, I need to pay $97 per month to use it. You, as an affiliate, you'll earn 40% per signed up, which is $38.80 per user per month as your income, okay? When you get 50 people sign up through you, that's $1,940 monthly commission for you passively without you doing nothing, okay? Because I'm a user, right? When I use this software, I need to use it month after month. So I need to pay the subscription month after month. And when I pay, you simply make your affiliate commissions without you doing nothing, okay? Because these users will continue paying month after month, so your income is recurring and passive. Now, how do you get 50 people to sign up, right? Very simple. This is a strategy we're going to use, okay? You simply give away an extremely valuable course, a $2,000 course for free. Who doesn't want to have a $2,000 course for free, right? This is one of our Funnel Freedom affiliate accounts that me and my business partner Nathan are using it, okay? In this account, you can see we have 55 customers right now. And let's do a calculation. 55 times $38.80 as commission. That's $2,134 passive income, right? We don't need to do anything else. As long as they are using the software, we are getting paid month after month. How amazing is that? If you get paid $2,000 month after month, right? Would that reduce some of your financial pressure? Would that help maybe pay your rent, pay your mortgage, pay your credit card bills, right? Absolutely. So keep watching, okay? Step number two, I also will show you how you can get your hands on this course, okay, for free. So you can give it out, okay? So step number two, you're going to give away this $2,000 course, which is called Freedom University. Simply give it away to as many people as possible for free, okay? Instead of trying to convince people to buy Funnel Freedom, right? You give them something so valuable and they'd be crazy to say no. And this is where this Freedom University course comes in, okay? Here is our team member, Chris, right? Basically, he used Funnel Freedom, provide service to local businesses without selling any courses, okay? Just last month in January, he signed up 2 customers, local business, okay? Each one pay him $5,000. That's $10,000 monthly income already. Do you want to learn that? You can learn exactly how to do that inside Freedom University course. And now you are giving away this course for free. We're going to jump in like crazy, okay? If you want to learn how to do this as a complete beginner, right, you can click on this one as well, how to earn $685 in just 10 minutes of work without you even quitting your day job by offering simple services, okay? Using Funnel Freedom. This course normally sells for $2,000, but you are giving it away for free when people sign up to use Funnel Freedom through you. Then they can get this course for free, okay? Because in order to provide the services inside the Freedom University, you have to use Funnel Freedom. This course teaches how to use Funnel Freedom to offer services like lead generation, SEO, copywriting, review management, email campaign management, ads management, right? And a lot more. So you can simply provide these services and charge local businesses like restaurant, insurance agent, real estate agent. You can charge them. These are the services that business already pay top dollars for. And many of these services that you can do by using AI in just 10 to 30 minutes. You can learn exactly how to do this inside this Freedom University course. I'll show you how to get your hands on this course. Now, step number 3. How can we give out this free course? I want to show you exactly how I do it. You just simply post a simple Facebook post, okay? You don't need to spend money on any pay ads. Just post on Facebook and let people come to you. Here's the example. Feel free to copy it, okay? This is my actual post, how I get people to sign up through me. We created a brand new course to teach how anyone can make 5K to 10K per month from local businesses without selling a course. Our students make 10K per month with just 2 customers. Gifting this course to 25 people for free. Who wants a copy? Then my audience on Facebook, they're gonna see this, they're gonna comment on this post. So when people raise their hands, say, hey, I want that, they either comment on it or they will message you. Now you send them your Freedom University free course affiliate link. I even give you a message that you can use, okay? Hey, Joe, I just saw your comment for our brand new course to learn how to make money from local businesses without selling a course. Here's the link to claim your access to this course as a free bonus. Then you're going to put your affiliate link right here. When you get your Funnel Freedom account, right, you're going to have access to your affiliate dashboard. You're going to select, use this Freedom University affiliate link, okay? This is going to be your unique affiliate ID. Then you're going to put your affiliate link in this message. Then give it to as many people as you can. That's how you build up your monthly passive income. This simple process will flood your inbox with interested people who want a free course, and they will sign up through your link. Step number 4, this is optional. This is for more advanced people, right? If you are a marketer, if you have an email list, I want to show you a quick demonstration, okay? How you can leverage your email list by using this Freedom AI feature that's inside Funnel Freedom. Freedom AI is so powerful. Make it easy to craft high converting email campaigns, offering this free course to your email list. If you are selling digital products like myself, you can use Freedom AI to sell your digital products or your service without hiring expensive professional copywriters. Okay, so let me show you a quick demonstration. This is my Funnel Freedom account, and here is Freedom AI. I want to show you how easy it is. You can simply use this and charge other people money by providing service. So let's just pick this one. Let's say I want to sell my digital course, POP. I do have a course called POP, which is teaching people how to make money online, how to use social media to generate leads and sales, right? So here, current event, let's just type something happened to me, okay? Like a live moment. This morning, I was rushing out because I was late to drop my kids to school. I have 2 kids, right? And I spilled my coffee all over the places. Okay, just something like a regular story everybody can feel relatable to, right? Something like that. So call to action. Call to action will be, I want to send them to a webinar, okay, about my POP digital product. Call to action. Click here to learn how to generate $1,000 daily income online. Okay, whatever offer you are selling, right? Then the offer is, let's say, POP action over profits up digital course with master sale rights that people can learn and sell and resell it for 100% commissions. Okay, just like that. Let's see. Submit. Now AI brain is working. Okay, subject line, my coffee betrayed me this morning, right? Interesting title, make people want to open up my email. Here's the email. So this just happened. Racing against time this morning, trying to get my kids to school. Already late, of course, when my travel mark decided to perform an impressive acrobatic routine. Coffee everywhere on my shirt, the car seats, even somehow made its way into my shoe. How? You know that moment when you are already running late and the universe seems to be saying, hey, let's make this even more interesting. But here's the thing that hit me while I was frantically dabbing at the coffee stands. Life's biggest mess often come right before our biggest breakthroughs. Boom! Beautiful transition. Think about it. How many times have we felt completely overwhelmed, everything going wrong, only to discover a completely different path forward? That's exactly what happened to me when I first started my online journey. Everything felt like it was going wrong until I discovered a simple system that changed everything. You see how beautiful this copy is? Using regular, boring life moment that everybody can feel relatable to, right? Relatable with, then transition into the offer I want to sell. right? Let me see. Just like my coffee mishap this morning, sometimes we need a little chaos to shake us out of our comfort zone and show us a better way. Want to know the exact system that helped me turn my own chaos into consistent $1,000 daily income? I've packaged everything into a step-by-step digital course that shows you how to build your own profitable online business, and even better, you can share this knowledge with others and keep 100% of the profits. Click here to learn how to generate $1,000 daily income online. Then I put the link right here, right? Sometimes the messiest mornings lead to the clearest vision. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to figure out how coffee got inside my phone case. Boom, right? How beautiful this copy is. Took me how long? Maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay. So you can use Freedom AI to sell anything you like. Okay. But here's the note. Freedom AI will be a separate subscription software that the software company gonna charge $97 to $297 per month. Now you'll get it for free as of today. Okay. This will change. This is not fake scarcity. They will charge this. Okay. But you will get it for free as of today when you sign up to become a member of Freedom Software. So click on here, check it out. This is limited time offer. Don't miss this one, okay? Now, step number 5 will be your investment and grandfathered access to Freedom AI, right? All this feature I just show you. To implement this money-making strategy I show you today and make that $2,000 monthly passive income by getting 50 people using this software through you, you'll simply sign up to become Funnel Freedom user yourself, which is only $97 per month. Once you sign up, you'll get number 1, the $2,000 Freedom University course for free. You're also going to get Freedom AI for free. And I want to remind you again, this will soon be a paid subscription that you need to pay additional $97 to $297 per month in addition to your Funnel Freedom software usage. So there will be 2 subscriptions. But if you pick it up today, when you pick up Funnel Freedom, you'll get Freedom AI for free. You're also going to get your own Funnel Freedom affiliate link. Then you can start implementing the same strategy that's making me money around the clock today. Not only that, you're also going to get weekly coaching call. You have 1 coaching call every single week with our coaches, right? To learn how to use Funnel Freedom for your business. No additional charge, okay? All included in this Funnel Freedom $97 per month subscription, okay? Pay as you go. You can cancel at any time, all right? Here is your passive income potential. Let's say you get 10 people signed up using the software through you, you are making $388 monthly passive income without you doing nothing. Let's say next month, you get another 15 people sign up through you, then that's 25 people using Funnel Freedom through your affiliate link. Boom, you are making $970 per month, every single month, right? Let's say you get 50 people sign up. Congratulations, you hit that goal, okay? $1,940 month after month, passive income. Let's say you get 100 people signed up. That's almost $4,000 monthly income without you doing nothing. Just by them using the Funnel Freedom, you get paid every single month. How amazing is that? Okay, now the last step will be simply take action. Now, go to this link, sign up, and get your own Funnel Freedom account. Then start giving away, right? Go to your affiliate dashboard, start giving away this Freedom University course to as many people as possible by simply use the same strategy I'm using, okay? Just copy, paste, and make money. Let's go.